Assalamualaikum dan hai semua, apa khabar? Just a few days left of the year 2023. However, it is not an excuse to be lazy. Push yourself a little bit more. Sikit lagi. Jangan malas. Don't be lazy. Rajinlah sikit. Be hardworking a bit. And today, our last sprint of the year, let's study the word punya. Punya. Punya is a possessive particle and it could mean whose, mine, possess, belongs to own, to have. And in Malay, they are synonyms for punya. They are ada or milik. Are they interchangeable? It depends on the construction of the sentence. Let's look at some example so you could comprehend the usage of punya in a Malay sentence. The first example is ini siapa punya or siapa punya ini. It means whose is this? Ini means this and siapa punya means whose. As this channel teaches you spoken Malay, from this point onwards, only spoken Malay sentences will be given as examples. As we know that ini can be shortened as ni, so naturally the previous sentences could be said as ni siapa punya or siapa punya ni, which means whose is this? Using ni is useful when you don't know the name of the object or things that you want to ask. If you know the name of the object, as in this example, pensel ni siapa punya? Or siapa punya pensel ni? Even if the phrase pensel ni appeared first in the sentence or comes at the end of the sentence, it did not affect the meaning of the sentence at all, which is, who is the owner of the pencil? So you can use both of these patterns to ask for the owner of an object or thing. To ask for confirmation if someone is the owner of a thing, we may ask like so. Pensel ni awak punya ke? Or, awak punya ke pensel ni? Which means, is this pencil yours? Does this pencil belong to you? If the reply is positive, you may use any of the following example as an answer. Ya, pensel ni saya punya. Or, ya, saya punya. Or, simply, ya. However, if the reply is negative, you could reply like so. Tak, pensel ni bukan saya punya. Bukan, pensel ni bukan saya punya. No, this pencil is not mine. Or a few more ways to reply negatively. Pensel ni bukan saya punya. Bukan saya punya. Or simply with either bukan or tak. Bukan or tak both means no. However, for the detailed explanation of their usages, please watch the video above or the link in the description. Before we proceed, don't forget to help the channel grow. A little bit of kindness goes a long way. Terima kasih. Now, let's do some exercises. First exercise, I will ask you and you need to answer with the pronoun given at the bottom left of the slide. I will give you 5 seconds to answer and after that, the answer will be given. Jom mula. Let's start. Buku ni siapa punya? Buku ni siapa punya? Buku ni saya punya. Buku ni saya punya. Bagus. Good. Next. Buku ni siapa punya? Buku ni siapa punya? Buku ni awak punya. Buku ni awak punya. Bagus. Good. Last one. Buku ni siapa punya? Buku ni siapa punya? Buku ni dia punya. Buku ni dia punya. The next exercise is asking if the object is yours or not. You need to answer based on the hint given at the bottom left of the slide. Jom mula. Let's start. Kereta ni awak punya ke? Kereta ni awak punya ke? Ya, kereta ni saya punya. Ya, kereta ni saya punya. Bagus. Good. Next. Kereta ni awak punya ke? Kereta ni awak punya ke? Tak, kereta ni awak punya. Tak, kereta ni awak punya. Bukan, kereta ni awak punya. Bukan, kereta ni awak punya. Bagus. Good. Last one. Kereta ni awak punya ke? Kereta ni awak punya ke? Tak, kereta ni dia punya. Tak, kereta ni dia punya. Bukan, kereta ni dia punya. Bukan, kereta ni dia punya. Well done. We have reached the end of the lesson. I hope that this lesson will be useful, and please ask me anything in the comment if you don't understand the lesson well. I will try my best to answer. Baiklah. Alright. Until next time, terima kasih semua. Sampai jumpa lagi.